everyone. Today we're looking at WORKPRO's adjustable wrench set. All right. Okay, so they are covered in oil, which is normal, so don't freak out. That's fine. They do that so they don't rust. So keep that in mind. Might want a paper towel with you just to wipe them off. But they're definitely nice. Whoo, look at this big boy. Make sure it still works. You know us, we like to test things out here. I want to make sure that they don't break right away with some hard hitting. Don't recommend you guys doing this at home. Don't hit it right on the thread. But I am just making sure they're durable enough. Look at that. We really hit this guy. If you guys think we're not hitting it that hard, you don't know me. You don't know me, son. You don't know me. We are trying to break it. We're trying to jam it. We are trying. Oh, what about with this pin out? Let's go. Here we go. Still works, guys. Still works. High quality, baby. Got a couple dents in it from hitting really hard, but it still functions.